Who misses the beach? I do. I miss the warm weather, and I know we haven't even been in slightly chilly weather for very long. I do love wearing cozy clothes and fall food and fall. I love fall everything, but I love the beach and I miss it, even though I love fall. So I thought, why not take us back to the beach? I wanted to walk you around this board real quick because there are a couple of things that I want to highlight for you. Specifically, the umbrella. I don't know if you guys know this or have seen this on the beaches the past year or two, but there are these things, and I'm going to mispronounce them, called shimby shades or shumby shades. And it's like a pole goes on each side, and then you've got like this fabric that goes above you that flies and creates shade. Anyway, it was created by two North Carolina grads, and I thought it was pretty cool. So I have linked a news article to their story. I actually initially linked their website, but their website has trouble every now and then, and I think one of the reasons is the shimby shade has become super popular, and they sell out all the time. Anyway, but I just thought it was really awesome to see how two North Carolina University graduates have become so successful in one of the inventions that they created just from going to the beach and realizing they hated umbrellas. So anyway, that's a cool, there's a video with it you can watch, but that's just a cool interest story. We've got a nice little video here. You've got something linked to the, what is that? Stereo. I was going to link something to the bag, and I wound up not doing it. So if you click the bag or the umbrella, both of those things are going to take you to the shimby shade information. The narwhal has something going on. So does the shark fin. The beach ball is a Padlet where you can drop a picture of yourself or your family at the beach. I want to see you guys exploring the beach, bring a little bit of warmth back into our life. I don't know. I just think it's fun. So hardcore sandcastles. The Big Shell will link you to my resources page because there are so many books about the beach or animals in the ocean that you can find through Overdrive, which we've learned, through Tumble Books, which we've learned, that you could research through Power Knowledge Science series. So there's just so much that's on my research page that you could explore if you need to find out anything about the ocean or the beach or just wanted to read something. So I've linked that through the Big Shell. The small shell is, I think, a Wonderopolis. I love Wonderopolis. There's just so much that you can do on that one website. You've got something here with the message in a bottle. The crab is going to take you to the San Diego Zoo. This crab is taking you to Jonathan Fenskey's website. Jonathan Fenskey is actually a semi-local author. He's out of Greenville, South Carolina. He's written some books that we love in our media center, Hello Crabby being possibly our favorite. He typically writes about the beach, and you can explore his website. So I looked at his website again this morning, and he's taken down a couple of things that I found interesting that explained a lot about him. But you can still see, if you go to the main page of his website, now he has graphics to his books linked. And so you can see his artwork. And if you scroll through there, you're going to recognize a lot of it because he does a lot of the artwork for some of the Lego books that a lot of books that you enjoy and explore here in our media center. You're going to recognize him being the artist for it. And then he's also an author because he's written the Hello Crabby series. Here is one of the Hello Crabby stories linked, and if you have read it, you realize why the crab is carrying a cake. And then you've got a How to Draw and the story Aqualicious. There's nothing linked to the sailboat because I had really big hopes of so we have a boat down at the beach, and so I had really big hopes of actually making it to it and doing a video from the boat. And you know what I haven't done yet? That. So if by some miracle I'm making this video recording a lot longer ahead of time before I normally do. So if I make it to the beach between now and the time that you see this video and I bundle up in sweatshirts and hop on the boat, then I'll do a recording for you. But most likely that's not happening before you see this board. But it's a super fun board, and I thoroughly enjoyed making it for you and reminiscing about all the fun things there are to do at the beach. So I hope you enjoy. Bye, guys.